Hey guys, this is Chris with Financial Fitness, and this doesn't have much to do with finances other than you need to know. So I had one of these units come out of my tractor rim. I want to show everybody how to put it in and how to reseat the tractor rim real quick, because there's a lot of people that don't know how to do this. A lot of you do, but if you don't, check it out. It's always fun to do, actually. The first thing you want to do is find, there it is. All right. You want to get this valve stem pulled back in there. And the best way to do it is get a little soapy water and just go to town. And it'll usually pull in there pretty easy. I try to use smooth grip pliers. They don't tear up the rubber so bad. All right, it's that simple. Now, we got our valve stem in there. You can see it's all the way off the bead. And I don't know another way to do this other than the fun way. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to put a little disclaimer in here. Don't do anything I do. It's extremely dangerous. I'm pretty sure I lost some hearing. Let's go. All right, so I went and got some TP. Not for that reason, but there's a big gap here that I can't seem to fill up. So I'm going to try to put a little bit of TP in the gap. If y'all know a better way, let me know. This is just the way my brain thinks. Try to seal some of that gas in there because it's leaking out too bad. I got it pretty tight on the bottom. There's a big gap here. I got the bead pushed on the other side, the back side. I had it really sitting nice to do it on the back side, but I wanted y'all to see it, so I did it on the front. All right. I hope that blows out of there. It's going to look funny for a little bit. Now let's give it a whirl. Oh, my TP fell out. I don't really want TP in my tire. There's a shortage of this stuff. That's where all the TP went. Fill it up. Well, acetyleen's heavy, it's going to sink to the bottom, so just know that. All right. Come on, baby, light my fire. That baby's on there. I love it. All right. Now it's not gonna pressure it all the way up. You got to go get your air hose and finish it. But just a little quick tip from Financial Fitness. Y'all have an awesome day. I'll see you tomorrow.
And the message said, end of message.